Hello and happy Saturday, everybody. Today we are talking about optimizing your smile, just like you want to optimize your life. You want to live your best life ever. And so, how do you do that if you don't have an optimized smile? How can you say that you've actually optimized yourself when your oral health isn't at its best? And that's why today we're talking about that because we know that health and body and mind are all connected, and health starts in the mouth. And so, what better way to optimize your health than to optimize your smile? Today, ladies and gentlemen, today is episode number 100. And it is an absolutely, unequivocally, incredibly amazing day for us to talk about the smile because there's a good thing to smile about, which is episode 100. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it to episode 100. And so I have decided now for the next little while that I'm going to condense these talks to 5 minutes. I'm going to try this out for the next 20 talks, for the next 20 podcasts. I'm going to do a 5-minute tidbit, 5-minute tidbit, or a 5-minute bite. Yeah, actually, I like that one better. 5-minute bites. Because with the 5-minute bites, it's not too short that you won't get a lot of value out of it, but it's not too long that you won't be bored or the point will be made very quickly. So the next 20 days, we will do 5-minute bites, and that's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it the 5-minute bites. So today is going to be a little bit longer, perhaps, than 5 minutes. I don't think it will, but you know me with my timings. When I say it's 2 minutes, usually it's a little bit longer than that. So then let us get on with it and say, okay, so how do we optimize our smile? Now, first of all, why should we optimize our smile? Why? What does it mean to optimize? That's the question. To optimize, it means you're making something the best it can possibly be to get you the best results possible. So what kind of results would you get with a optimized smile? Same thing with an optimized body or an optimized health. Same thing. If you optimize your health, then you're optimizing your life. Why? Because when you're living your life according to optimized health, you live happier, you live with less disease, you look much more attractive, you function better. And those are the exact same things that happen when you optimize your smile. You smile better, and so you look more attractive, you look more confident. And by looking more confident, people will give you the reception of you being confident. And so it'll feed back onto you for you to be even more confident. It'll just grow. It's an upward spiral. The second is function. You'll start chewing better, obviously, because if you optimize your smile, you'll chew better. So you'll start chewing better, and then you'll start speaking better because with a better fitting mouth or better fitting teeth together, you actually get to enjoy your life a lot better. And the third, but certainly not least, you start to prevent infections because when your teeth are optimized, your gums are optimized, the chances of you getting infections is so low that now you don't have to see a dentist as often because you won't have any emergencies, you won't have any surprises, you won't have any cavities, gum disease, bone disease, and all that wonderful stuff will be behind you, and you'll be able to live your life to its optimum. Now, as I said, there are 3 different things that you can optimize with regards to your oral health. Simply the exact same as optimizing your entire body and health, which is your looks, right? Your smile, and your chewing and speaking. And lastly, the infection, which is to prevent the infection. Isn't that a cute little picture there? Now, let's do a little comparison with regards to optimized versus non-optimized smiles. We're going to go through these. We're going to see someone that has no teeth versus someone who has teeth. And I'm sure now you can picture in your mind and you can automatically imagine the things I may be showing you. The second thing is missing a tooth or two versus not missing any teeth at all. And you'll see the biggest difference that that'll make. And then having bad teeth versus good teeth. Isn't that another cute picture? By the way, I just want to let you know that Spinetti Dentistry is the award winner for 2024 for Consumer Choice Awards. So thank you, London, for choosing us. And also, we are the cosmetic dentist, top 3 cosmetic dentists of choice in 2024. We also won in 2023. Just thought I'd put a little plug there. So if you're looking for any kind of cosmetics or dentist, Spinetti Dentistry is a good choice for you. So now, no teeth versus teeth. Now, as you can see here, when you have no teeth, Automatically in your mind, you picture someone that is old. And the reason why is because having no teeth, whether you are young, and there are some TikTok videos actually of some young people who have been addicted to drugs and have lost all their teeth, and now they had dentures and they took it out, and they literally, and these are people in their 30s, and they literally look like they're now in their 60s simply because they don't have teeth. Teeth makes such a big impact in the way that you look, the way that you function, and certainly in preventing infections, because with good teeth, you will actually look younger. So here you see a person to the right. That person is young, and obviously with healthier teeth, with nicer teeth, you look younger, and that's actually a hack. And I tell this to my patients all the time. People who come in and do veneers, I say, now you actually look a lot younger, and they look in the mirror. They're like, yeah, I do, because when your teeth look pristine, when they look amazing, obviously age appropriate, when they look amazing, you actually look a lot younger. You can shave off, no pun intended, you can shave off 10 years. Literally, you can regain 10 years of your life simply by improving your smile. I've seen it countless times, and you can ask people who have done veneers, and you can ask people who have improved their smiles. It literally gives them back 10 years, and they look 10 years, and they feel 10 years younger, and they function 10 years better, all because of their smile. So here is one proof. Now, check this one out. Now, what do you see here that's missing from, or that is odd in this picture? He's missing an eyebrow. Correct. But did you notice that he's also missing a tooth? Haha. If you haven't seen this picture before, more than likely you have not noticed that he's missing a tooth. Yes, it is true. The man in the middle, he's missing a tooth. And that's why dentistry is important, because even though he's missing an eyebrow, the first thing you notice is his smile. And I actually messed that one up. It was the opposite. You probably didn't notice that he was missing an eyebrow. I totally killed that one. But if you look at this image and you pretend like you didn't hear what I was saying, you'll notice that he's missing a tooth. I honestly should have seen this before, but I feel sheepish. So as you can see here, you've actually, the first thing you noticed was that he was missing a tooth, but you didn't notice that he was missing an eyebrow because, as you can see from this picture and from my blunder, that a very important component of your face is your smile. And a very important component of a presentation is to rehearse it, or to at least look at the freaking slides before you present it. Moving on. So here you can see missing tooth versus having all the teeth. And you can see these people are practically the same age, but one looks a lot older simply because she's missing a tooth, whereas the other one has all her teeth. Even though in that picture I can tell that she grinds her teeth, but still, that's not the point. The point is that even missing one tooth makes you look a lot older and also decreases your function. Also increases your chance of infection, because now she has more surface area for plaque to build up, for bacteria to stick on, and it's a lot harder to brush those areas because your toothbrush is straight and it's not bent. So yeah. Now, having bad teeth versus good teeth. Now, again, you can see the big difference aesthetically, but also, as you can see here, when someone has crowded teeth, the amount of plaque accumulation, bacterial accumulation, and disease outcome increases significantly, because it's very hard to clean it, and plaque and bacteria get trapped in these nooks and crannies because it's very easy for them to get trapped there. So the best way for you to do things, then what's the solution? I'm about to discuss that with you. So here's a solution. As you can see, that person is pressing the button of solution. And the button of solution is going to Spinati Dentistry, so that we can examine your teeth and your health and give you the best solution to your needs. So if you're looking to look better, chew better, and talk better, and decrease infection, this is a solution. The solution is treat all the cavities and gum infections. Align your bite. So when you align your bite, and unfortunately, there is nothing you can escape from that. If your bite is not aligned and you're not biting properly, then you will suffer. Your bite will suffer, and your teeth will suffer. Your gums and bones will suffer. Now, obviously, there's severity to that. But what I'm trying to say is that if you actually ignore the fact that aligning your bite is incredibly important for all aspects of optimizing your smile, then you're missing the boat. And I'm here to get you back on the boat. So, aligning your teeth, incredibly important. And last but not least, after you align your teeth, let's say your teeth have been, and I should have showed this actually. Maybe I'll show it in another podcast. But if your teeth are misaligned, and so now you're grinding your teeth improperly, you're chipping them improperly, and then you align your teeth, you're going to notice your teeth are actually not all in the same length because you would have ground your teeth in different directions simply because your teeth are not aligned properly. Now, if your teeth after you align them, obviously they're not going to look aesthetic because some are going to look shorter than others because now your teeth are aligned at the gum level, at the arch level, but not at the what we call the incisal level, right? I know it's a lot of information, but come on in to Spinetti Dentistry and we'll provide you all the information so that you can understand it better according to your smile and your teeth and your needs. Now, aligning your bite, incredibly important. Last but not least, oh yes, I was talking about this, that after you align your bite, you may need to do some cosmetic work. Okay, so may need to do some veneers or crowns in order for you to establish the length and the aesthetics and the proportions that will give you the best outcome for your looks and function. And these are the 3 steps that will resolve all those issues, which is the aesthetics, function, which is the chewing and the speaking, and to prevent infections. Literally, those 3 things will resolve almost all of them. Obviously, there are exceptions to the rules, but the majority of these problems will be resolved with those 3 solutions. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That was 11 minutes of optimizing your smile. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you optimize your smile on this 100th episode of Discover with Spinetti. May you discover a brighter future with an optimized smile. Have a great day.